Wasbir, the voting has already begun. And Wasbir, if we talk about the by polls in Assam, then it will be a crucial test for the BJP and the Congress, Wasbir.
Well, absolutely, Priya. These are very significant by-elections as far as Assam is concerned, the by-elections to 5 assembly seats. It is significant for more reasons than one, because out of these 5 seats, 3 of the candidates have shifted from other political parties to the BJP, while Rupjyoti Kurmi and Susanta Borgohain, the candidates in the fray on behalf of the BJP, they were earlier with the Congress, they have shifted camp and joined the BJP. And as far as there is one candidate who has shifted from the AIUDF to the BJP. So it is a crucial test, because these 3 have been elected in the assembly elections in April, held in April on different political party tickets, and now within a span of 5.5 months, they are candidates of the ruling BJP. So that is a very, very crucial test as far as the state BJP leadership is concerned. And moreover, this by-elections, it can be considered as the verdict will be considered as a report card of the people on the 5.5-month-old government of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma. In fact, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma has a new ally in the Bodo heartland in the form of the UPPL. The AGP has been solidly behind the BJP. And now several legislators from the Congress have joined the BJP, who are now candidates, and one from the AIUDF. Nobody thought that a candidate from the AIUDF will shift base and join the BJP and now contest the by-elections. Therefore, these are very, very significant by-elections. And no wonder we have seen in the last couple of weeks, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has been campaigning with that much of zeal with which he had campaigned for the assembly elections in the month of April. So he had left no stone unturned to make sure that majority of these 5 seats come in the kitty of the BJP. The BJP is not short of numbers. It doesn't matter what the results doesn't matter, because BJP always already has the numbers in the 126-member Assam Assembly. But they are leaving no stone unturned to improve its tally. And if the BJP wins majority of these 5 seats, then its numbers go up, and then the bargaining power of the alliance partners automatically gets reduced. So that is one of the inner party strategy of the BJP. But as far as the coalition is concerned, they stand firmly behind Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma and his leadership, and therefore these elections are extremely crucial for the ruling combined in Assam.
And Wasbir, if we speak about the turnout, then Wasbir, we have seen that voting has started at 7 a.m. and we have seen a good number of people coming out to cast their votes.
Well, yes, some of these leaders, who are contesting these 5 assembly seats are very, very prominent leaders, whether it is Rupjyoti Kurmi, whether it is Susanta Borgohain and others. And they have their own followers. And after that, and now the weather is good. This is that time of the year where the weather is extremely pleasant. There are no rains. The heat is much less compared to what it was in the month of April. And therefore, people are coming out of their homes to cast their votes. And that is one of the reasons. Apart from that, that people have also realized that there is a government firmly saddled in Dispur with no problem about as far as the numbers is concerned. Though they have come out to vote and demonstrate their support for the different political parties. But another crucial thing, Priya, at these elections is that, the Mahajot that the Congress came to have forced stitched up a Mahajot during the elections in April, that has fallen apart because the BPF, Bodoland People's Front, has already gone out of the Mahajot. The AIUDF is also not part of the Mahajot. So the Congress literally is fighting this polls alone. And therefore, it is also going to be a testimony as to the strength of the Congress, whether it remains static as it was during the elections, or whether it has deteriorated, or whether its strength has depleted now in the last 5.5 years of the BJP rule in the state. So this is also going to be a test for the Congress party. And apart from that, the AIUDF also is going to get a test of their support base among the masses. So these are elections for more reasons than one, are significant for all the major parties in the state, that is the BJP, Congress, and the AIUDF.
All right, Wasbir, thank you so much for all those details.